you doing?
Oh. Did you sharpen my hair this morning?
No,
That's just the way I wake up, isn't it?
it is.
You like my new haircut?
I do.
I do too. I'm going to go back and I'm looking at the...
If I knew you listened to me about 2 years ago.
Well, I mean, I like the look with that visor on too. You make fun of me today because it was 141 was on there. You said I'm watching myself.
Yes.
Just popped up.
Okay.
All right, all my kids.
Nice.
This is the old, I'll call it the 2000 George Williams pattern. There's one behind me.
Yeah, I like these. It's a look.
I did sand on some surf scoters. I thought I had surf bodies, it turns out they're white men bodies. It's where you sit there cut. Actually, you ever seen the pattern on top or the top of the surf, the bottom one's the white man. I was confused a little bit with what was what. Worked on getting the big-headed hoodie.
Nice.
You like that?
In-house creative says, "Hey, Captain Jeff, checking in."
Good afternoon. How are you doing? I feel like I've sat out here for a while today. I'm struggling with my paints. This is an old one. You can see I've definitely used it. This stuff is like super thick. And or just cold. See if I can get it to come out. Yeah. I have this brand new one. It'll come out instantly, but I feel like I should use this up.
Yeah, you need to put it in a cup or something upside down.
But see, it's just thick. I think it just means it's old. Like me.
Oh, it was sitting out here in 20-degree temperatures for a while.
This was too.
Okay.
Look how fast it runs down.
Yeah.
Just old.
Scott Bronston, hi all. Hello.
What's going on? Getting ready for the ODCCA.
What is that?
Ohio Decoy Carvers and Collectors Association. You've never been.
Is our friend Nick going?
No. Honestly, with this new job, I'm not sure. I gotta run this stretch. Then I gotta find. There it is. Can't see it now. There it is. All right. There we go. There I go. All right. It's a cool little deal.
That's cool, yeah.
There we go. That ran it home. Might be a little tall. It is what it is. I think that the last ones this is cut out from a long time ago. I kind of feel that's how tall it is the last one. Alright,
JMF Outdoors says, Happy Tuesday.
Happy Tuesday. Thinking of you, we are. I had to put my shoe back on. It's getting more cool down there. I don't get too messy.
Penny Babe says he loves the work you do.
Thank you very much. Yeah?
In-house creative says the hoodie almost has a pompadour like Elvis.
So Karen hates this hooded sweatshirt. Why, love?
No, the
Oh.
the hoodie.
Oh, I thought you were talking
Has
about my
no,
hooded sweatshirt.
no.
It's been a topic. This has been a topic of conversation today.
I
Not by you either. Karen hates this hoodie.
I have no idea. He has a closet bursting with hoodies, and yet he feels the need to wear a rip one.
Michael Scale, he said this is a fucking classic.
Yes, he has about a zillion other classics. That's
Classic.
the issue.
Thank you on the hoodie organic. Don't want to take too much off. All right, so there's another one that's closer to being done.
Is that the only one you have, right? That you do?
There's a bunch sitting in the bodies or something. Yeah.
Okay.
See another head?
I don't see one.
Yeah, I don't know. I know the head pattern's sitting over here.
Scott Bronson said he's going to start doing cork bodies.
There you go. All right,
Nice.
I'm happy with it. I feel like I should do more. My neck.
Some
What?
in-house creative is suggesting that this hoodie may need to go into the future Pitboss museum.
This one?
Yeah,
I may have another one.
yeah. I know you have another one.
Not cut up. I do like it. Then it gets dirty anyway. What the heck? What the heck? Alright. I want to be productive, but I really don't feel like sanding all the scooters.
Well, I tried to change the lock on the camper,
Yeah,
but I can't get 2 screws out, so unfortunately I have to hand it over to you.
I can do that for you, I hope. Should I work on some teal?
Yeah.
That would be me. That would be me, not would be me, we be me. Being a little, what's the word?
Procrastination.
Yes.
Procrastinating. Yes.
Yes.
Looks like it.
Oh my. It's not, I think, and the other thing is, all the canvas back, maybe I should just fire the base all up. Just run all the bodies. Although, look here, these are all can bodies. I'm using them as like a prop. I'm serious.
Yikes. I think you need to focus on getting
I'm having trouble.
one thing finished.
I need Adderall. Can anybody give me Adderall? Seriously. I think it could really help me.
Possibly.
For that, or I need to start chewing. I've never chewed in my life, but maybe that would help.
All right, love. I'll let you focus.
I don't know what to do.
All right, we'll figure it out, and I'll come back later.
All right. Thanks for following along, and thank you, love. I'm not sure.
Pitboss life has its ups and downs.